about a half a mile away from where...
Sorry about the audio on this, folks. But what it said was I quit my full-time job back at the 1st of December to go on an adventure that I've been waiting to go on for quite some time. And that's to be a full-time cabinet maker, furniture maker. Had a couple opportunities come along, and I decided that it was just time to start doing this. And since I quit, things have slowed down quite a bit. A couple things kind of fell through a little bit, but it'll be okay in the end because it'll all get better and it'll all work out later. A couple of things I'm going to add to what I'm going to be doing this summer and spring is it's coming around the corner here. Hold on just a second. Let me switch camera views if I can. Right there it is. Gonna try to get my sawmill straightened up and get it back running. Right now, last time I checked, it had the capacity to cut a 32-inch log that is 30 foot long. First, I got to get it going, get it mechanically sound. Hopefully, as soon as the weather gets a little bit warmer, I'm going to come right on over here to the farm and get it going. As you can see, it's going to need some tender loving care on some chains. Some hydraulic lines are looking pretty bad. So it may be quite a while till I get this contraption started back up. I've had it since, I think I bought it back in 2006. Pretty good machine. You're blessed to be able to have something like this. It's pretty awesome. It's got a 30 horse Kohler motor on it that drives the blade, and I think the hydraulic motor is a Briggs & Stratton maybe. It's a 6.5 horse that controls all the hydraulics. It's fully automatic, as you can see by the levers there. It's got a computer set works. It's manufactured by the Timber King company. Pretty good company that had pretty good customer service. Anything I've ever had that went wrong with it, they was able to help me out, get her going again. But she's been neglected for quite a while, and I think it's time to clean it up and get it going again. So if I ever get time between doing the custom cabinetry work and stuff like that, I'll be out here in the good old hills of Kentucky cutting some logs. Till then,